Well, how was that, hey? That was beautiful and refreshing. And I have my undies tied up ever so eloquently on my bag. Hopefully I don't lose them because that'd just be awkward to find them on the track. Anyway, on to the next one. So we've come to a crossroads, young man. Not really, we have actually come to a crossroads. This, as you can see, will take us to Cedar Falls. The other one will take us back to the van. So, onward and downwards. So I just want to drop in a little thing about this lens. I am so glad I bought it. I mean, a good friend of mine said, you know, just use what you've got, then upgrade. And what I had was the kit lens, the 3.5 to 5.6, and it was fine. Like it was fine. It wasn't good, it wasn't terrible, it was sort of just in between somewhere, but it didn't have this, it didn't have this look, it didn't have this zoom. I'm so glad I got this. This is more than what I was expecting it to be. So, kudos, Tamron. Thank you. So this is called Cedar Falls as we're coming up, and it's an optional walk, which is effectively zigzagging straight down a cliff face, which is what I'm doing now. Sounds spectacular, looks spectacular. Perspiration's not very spectacular, but it's all part of the journey, isn't it? Tell you what, that was a hot and sweaty climb down below. Woo! Woo! Ooh, it's slippery. Check this out. So I cannot resist flying the drone. So let's take her up, eh? What a spot. What a spot. I think I'm quite appropriately going to end the vlog here. So if you have enjoyed it, please do tap that like button for me. If you haven't already, then please consider subscribing. Alright, I'll see all your lovely faces in the next one. Bye for now.